Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to convert Excel file to PDF in iPhone using simple steps that take just a few seconds. Now let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Excel app and launch the spreadsheet you want to convert. Make sure the file is ready and everything looks the way you want it to appear in the PDF. Next, tap the three-dot icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a square with an arrow pointing up. This is where you'll find the sharing options. From the list, select the print option. Don't worry, we're not actually printing, it's just a trick to access the PDF feature. Now tap on AirPrint, then tap Next. This step helps generate a digital version of your file. At the top of the screen, tap the Share icon. From the options that appear, choose Save to Files. Then pick a folder where you want to store your PDF and tap Save to start the conversion. To make sure it worked, go to the Files app and navigate to the folder you picked. Tap and hold the file, then tap on Get Info to check if it's a PDF. Now you're ready to open or share it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps.